So babies are so annoying on planes, especially when they start crying and all that. Shut up. See how annoying they are? Okay. How can a baby talk like that? Like a couple of months already. It's a demon child. Demon child, sorry. See how annoying they are? Look how they kicked your chair, man. Just somebody give him his that chair. See how annoying they are? Look, they even pull your hair. Ah. Bye, baby. Please leave comments of what you think about how annoying babies are at an airplane. That's all. That's it. You're a bad baby.